Hi guys, today I'm showing you this XREXS digital wall clock, and you can see this is like a wall clock that can be on the table as well as you can put it on the wall. It's a big digital wall clock that I will show you. It can also show you the temperature, so it have a temperature sensor, it have a remote, and also comes with a power adapter. So this power adapter is up to 240 volts, so it can be used globally with a converter. This is the clock itself, and you can see this is a big digital clock. This should be the manual. So with the clock you can see that there is a two hole that you can put on the wall, and there is a mounting guide as well that you can put on the wall, put the nails in it, and this wall will go. There is a stand that you can put on the table, so this can be a table stand, so you can put it on a table or you can put it on the wall. It's all up to you. These are the setting buttons. It's pretty straightforward, and you can also sense the temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. These are all sensors, and this is the battery. So this battery is for the emergency time storing, but actually this clock is powered by the electricity, like this, through this power adapter. So you put this power adapter in the clock like here, and there is a designated place that this cable will go. Extra cable can be stored into this box and you can cover it. Now as I on this clock, you can see that there's a big digital blue display. I'm just removing the protective screen so that you can see it how bright it is. Now there is a setting button like the timer. So there's a three ways, like timer, alarm, and the clock itself. So you can set it up. It's pretty easy, so I'm not going in depth on the setting itself because this is pretty, like, you can set whatever the time and date, or 12-hour format, 24-hour format, a bunch of things. So this is for the alarm that you can use the alarm for. You can set it up. And here is the temperature. So this clock comes with the remote that you can operate it using the remote, and that's really very helpful, on and off button and things. So there are two batteries, two AAA batteries that goes with this clock that you can put. And yeah, let me just open that security tab and then start it. So yeah, so you can see, like, when I put on and off button, this on, and then you have like different setting for the brightness, for the volume for the alarm, and there are multiple other things that you can set. So you can set the time through the remote as well, or through the clock. So it's pretty good with the remote. It's a little handy that you can just turn and adjust it everything with the remote. And the blue color is not that high, and there's a three different brightness setting that you can do: low, mid, and high in the back of the clock. And one, like, not mid, the auto, so you can set up the brightness.